All right, those are the top headlines that we are tracking for you. Good afternoon. By the way, markets did see a substantial recovery from the lows and has slipped again. So right now, yes, those losses are not as exaggerated, but still it's a 50-point cut that we are seeing on the Nifty. Mid-cap side of things, they continue to underperform the benchmark. So that index is down 370 points. The Bank Nifty too is lower. It's down around 150 points. Now remember, Nifty did see some buying from the lows just a couple of minutes back and has sustained at those levels, and we do have a couple of these stocks which are at the day's low. So Dr. Reddy's, on the back of the news that the clinical trials for one of its drug has not continued because of the results that they got, which they did not expect. So that stock is lower by 2%. We also have Coal India, which is lower at the day's low. Coal Power Grid is the other one. Rima, a lot of central bank action globally, and that is something that is weighing on our own markets as well, especially on the mid-cap side of things.
Absolutely. The mid-cap index is underperforming today. The mid-cap index is down 1.1%. The advanced decline ratio has turned decisively in favor of the losing side. So we've got 2 stocks in the green for 3 in the red. And the big knock has come in on the PSU banking index, with the Nifty PSU banking index down close to about 2%. We'll talk more about the individual constituents and the losses there. But let's welcome Hemen Kapadia of KRChoksey Securities now to get in a tech check on the markets. Hemen, we went down to levels sub 18,300. From there has been a fair amount of a pullback, nearly 100 points off from the day's low. Your thoughts on the index, and is there a trade?
A very good morning to you, Rima. Thank you for having me on the show. Yes, a trade, yes. So 18,350 was the previous bottom. We broke 18,300 and bounced back. Rima, the VIX still hasn't shot through the roof. Okay, we've come off significantly, but the VIX is still not at alarming levels. So that seems fine. Bank Nifty was propping up the market. That's walked on a corrective phase. IT and Reliance, which were the sort of architects of the move, walked into a corrective phase. So frankly speaking, this was on the anvil and it's happened. Having said that, I believe in the next few trading sessions, in IT and Reliance would post a bottom, and that would sort of put a cap on the downside as far as the Nifty is concerned. In terms of stocks, 2 stock picks, Rima. Firstly, a buy call on Bajaj Finserv. It's a contra buy, deeply oversold. The daily mechanical indicators are slowly turning positive. So one can buy Bajaj Finserv at 1600, stop loss 1575, target 1650. Secondly, is a buy call on Zydus Life Sciences. We've been over here for almost 11 trading sessions. Decent support, has taken support on the 55-day exponential moving average. Looks set for a rebound from here. So one can buy Zydus Life at 410, stop loss 398, target 430.
Okay, and what would your individual technical picks? Okay, you've spoken about the individual technical picks as well. Hemen, thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your technical picks and market moves as well. With that, let's move on. It is our segment Mid-Caps Movers. We have Vivek to take us through the mid-caps that are moving around in trade. Vivek?
Well, good afternoon. A day of